Hi! Welcome to Mariana's Cooking and More. So today we're going to be making pancakes. So we're going to start with 1.5 cups of flour. Half teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1.5 cups of milk, now there's a bit more that you can put in. There's tiny bits. So now we have to take in 1 egg because we're going to crack it in a small bowl so the eggshell won't go in our pancake. Oh, I forgot that we put it inside the bowl. Oh, there's a shell. Now we gently take it out. And you can just shake it off. And now what you do is you take the egg and you'll pour it in. Now you will take a little mixer, or a big one, or medium. It matters how big the bowl is. But it doesn't matter. I'm using a big one. So we're going to start mixing, because I would ask you to do this with an adult because it's very hard because it has the flour and everything inside. So it's a bit hard to mix. So it's very important to add half a teaspoon of vanilla and then you keep mixing. But be careful that you don't drop the vanilla. Now we're going to add a cup of blueberry. And then you mix. So now, if you want to mix and your hands get really tired, it's important to ask a mom or a dad or an auntie or an uncle or anyone to help you mix it. Because if no one helps you mix it and your hands get tired, and the blueberries will be like mushy and everything. And you don't want that to happen, do you now? So when your hand gets tired, you just say like, hey, mom, dad, or auntie, or uncle, or someone, can you help me mix? Because my hand is getting a bit tired. So now, you can see that we're mixing and mixing, and everything is blended. So now that we've made the batter for the pancake, we're gonna put it on medium and let it set for a bit. So when it's settled, I'm going to talk about how we're going to use the spoon and the flatter, okay? Because I don't want it to be too flat for you guys, but I want it to be a bit flat as well. So when we're going to take it and put it in, I want you to make sure that it's not all full. You just put a tiny bit, and then with the bottom here, you see how it's curved? Then you will go and you'll just push it a tiny bit, not a lot. And it's okay if it's a ball at first, because then it'll flatten by itself. But then you have to push it just a tiny bit. And then when you're done doing as many pancakes as you want, or one big one, or no matter what size it has, you're gonna take it and you're going to just flip it. And then flip, or just flip it once if it's a big one or a medium. Make sure you always have an adult supervision of turning it on. So now that the pan is hot, we're going to start putting our pancakes inside the bowl. And it can be no matter what size you want. There you see, there's the blueberries down there. Now, as I told you guys, you just flatten it a bit. So now we're gonna do one more. But make sure there's a space between them, so they're not sticky and it becomes big when you want it small. Okay, so while we're waiting for them to cook, I'm gonna tell you guys some jokes. Are you guys ready? Why did the cow cross the road? To get more milk. It's simple, but you guys can laugh. So now they're ready to be flipped. So you hold the side and make sure to ask an adult supervision while you're doing it. I've had a lot of practice before I did this. Look at these pancakes. Now you let them cook for a bit. Make sure the pan's handle is either this way, or at the top, okay? So, who likes pancakes? Because when we're done, I'm going to show you a few stuff that you could put on top. Even though I'm going to call this a blueberry pancake, we're going to put some blueberries on top, and we're going to put some whipped cream. It is going to be awesome after. If you guys still want to watch this video to see what's going to happen next. We're going to put them in the plate now that they're done cooking. Look at that beautiful pancake. So now I always like to add some whipped cream and some strawberry maple syrup, but you guys can add any maple syrup and you don't have to add the whipped cream. I'm going to add the whipped cream. So, but first you're going to take the small one or the big one, put it on top of whichever you want, and then now what I'm going to do is we're going to shake the whipped cream and we're going to put a little bit of whipped cream at the top. And now, when you're putting the maple syrup, I don't want you to put a lot, because then it'll ruin the taste of the blueberry. And I'll just remind you that I am using strawberry maple syrup, but don't put a lot. This is how we make blueberry pancakes. Now, if you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel, and good luck while you're making it. Bye! Stop disturbing the chef.